Hi friends, welcome to our channel Green City. Today let's see how to make this beautiful wall hanging using cardboard and paper. I used cardboard to cut the elephants and make the pattern, and I used paper to make these round and cylindrical beads. Now let's start the process. Make a pattern of elephant and cut it, and I made the pattern on the cardboard and cut it using a cutter, just like this. I took six of the elephants, and I'm using some plaster of Paris glue and glue mixture, and I am using two of the coats on the elephant to make it a little harder. And this is how I'm applying, and let's see how it looks when it gets dried. And I applied some of the colors on those elephants when it get dried, and I applied only on the front side. I didn't use it on the back. And I made some of the patterns on the elephants, and this is how it looks. Now let's start to make the paper beads. I am taking white paper to make the cylindrical beads, and different color papers to make the round beads as well. I rolled them and I applied glue at the last to make those beads like that. Make the colors according to your choice and roll them to get these paper beads like this. I used 20 of these cylindrical beads, and I cut a paper in the shape of a pyramid and I rolled them to get the round beads which we used in the middle. I used 5 different colors to make the round beads. These are the beads we are using. 20 of these cylindrical beads white, and 2 of these cylindrical beads, and 15 of these round beads. And these are the materials we are using to make our wall hanging. And this is the cylindrical bead I rolled using the paper of 2 different colors, which we can hang at the last. And the thread I am using for this wall hanging. And now let's start the process. Secure them with knots in the middle so that they cannot move from their position. And that is the end of the wall hanging. As we have holes in the middle of the cardboard, we can use them. Just like that, and yeah, we can push the elephant like that, and even the beads. So this is how I am making it. 2 of the cylindrical beads in the middle and a round bead. Just like this. And secure them in the middle with some of the knots, and use even the glue so that they cannot move from their positions. And this is the pattern I am choosing to make the wall hanging. And this is the final look of our beautiful wall hanging. and it turned out so good. I loved the look. Hope you guys liked it, and thanks for watching.